Meet Not Short, an 18-year-old airdrop farmer that made over $1 million with Jupe Airdrop. When Jupiter launched, they airdrop some people that interacted on Jupiter Exchange. They reward them with airdrop like 200, 1,000, and so on. But this Not Short, he made over $1 million from Jupiter Airdrop, and I'm going to share with you how he did it in this video, and I will also be implementing the same thing that I did with SUILEND. And if you want to do it as well with just your $100, $200, or $300, you can achieve what he did, and I'll be showing you in this video. If you are interested to know how he did it, watch this video to the end and you will get insights on it. A few days ago, I made video about interacting with airdrop on DeFiLlama, how to navigate through DeFiLlama to get some airdrop. So that's what I'm going to do today, and I'm going to navigate through SEAL blockchain. What I'm going to do is I'm going to clear this and I'll set my filter. I'm searching for SEAL. So I'm on SEAL blockchain right now, and the project I want to check out for is SUILEND. I'm just going to click on it. See, SUILEND has 101.9 million dollars. So that's very huge. That is like the biggest protocol on SUI blockchain. So yeah, I'm just going to click on the website. I already had it open in my tab, so I'm just going to go there. This is their Twitter page. Make sure that you doing the right uh, protocol. Make sure you are interacting with the right protocol. This is their Twitter page. You need to follow. You can follow them because your money is there. Any activity they are doing, you will see it on their page. Follow them. Turn on the post notification. If they announce airdrop, you are also going to get it from here. So I'm going to dive into the airdrop right now. So this is the dashboard. When you click on the website, it's going to bring you to the website, and you're going to launch the application. When you launch the application, this is how the interface of the application looks like. Let me show you. Okay, this is how it looks like. You launch the application. When you launch the application, the dashboard will show. Then you connect your wallet. Then you connect your wallet. So the wallet you can connect here is Matia wallet, Future wallet, C wallet, and this other one. I'll be using Matia wallet for this. Before you start to interact with this, you need to have set up your wallet. Either you want to use Matia wallet, C wallet, or any other wallet you want to use. But me, I'll be using Matia wallet right now. So I will just connect my wallet. Connected my wallet, and I have 79 SUI in this wallet. So I'll just go around, make sure I use all the stuff they have. I'll use the swap, I'll use the bridge, and I will lend SEAL out. Firstly, what I'm going to do is to use the bridge. If you know wormhole, this bridge is just like wormhole bridge that you can bridge from one blockchain to another. So I'll be bridging from Solana blockchain to SUI blockchain. I'll connect my Solana wallet, I'll connect my Phantom wallet. Uh, okay, I've connected my Phantom wallet. I'll also connect my SUI wallet, collect Martin wallet. Okay, I'll select Solana. You refresh the app to try to change. Okay, let me refresh this and see what comes out of it. Okay, this website is having like kind of issue right now. Now, I don't know why it's showing all this, but I'm still going to try again. I'll just try again. Uh, it is not coming up, but I'll still try again. I'll try to use the bridge. I'll just bridge from Solana blockchain to SUI blockchain, or I will try another bridge. Let me try to choose another network. It's not even allowing to choose another network, but I think maybe if their network is back and better, I'll be able to do this. I'll just come back to do this later, and I'll use the swap. I'll just swap from C to USDT or USDC. That's what I'm going to do. Let me just swap 30 C to USDC. Okay, I'll just swap. I'll approve it. So I'm waiting for the transaction to be confirmed so that I'll proceed with whatever I want to do. So the transaction has been confirmed. Let me see if I now have USDC in my wallet. Okay, I'm not seeing any USDC. Let me try to swap it and see it to show anything at all. Okay, maybe that's just a confirmation. Let me put another one. I just swap. Still waiting for the transaction to complete. And I'll approve it. Okay, it has been swapped. So I now have USDC in my wallet. So using this, that means I've done a transaction. I've used the swap. So it has already been recorded for me that I made transaction on this SUILEND. So what I'm going to do is I'll swap this USDC back. I'll swap it to C back because I don't need it for now. I'll just swap it 27.93. Okay, I'm swapping. Okay, so I'm swapping it back to C. I'm just waiting for the transaction to confirm so that I'll be able to collect it. So why is it showing me that I have this in my wallet? Did I make a mistake? Bro, this is just buying USDC. Okay, let me try again. I'm paying. Okay, let me use USDC to lend. So if you're farming on this SUILEND, you are going to be getting some points. So I'll lend out USDC. I'll deposit 50 my balance. Where's my balance showing? Yes. Okay, let me click on max. It's showing this. Okay, let me try and swap it back. 10.9. Let me see if it will work this way. Wait, did my USDC just increase? I think my USDC just increased right now. Maybe they are giving me return on every swap I'm making. I don't know. Maybe they are just giving. So I'm going to like learn Siri out. I'm going to click on max. It does not reflect it. So I'll wait a little bit for it to reflect. Let me go back to the swap to go and confirm it. Yeah, it's back. So I'll just go here and I'll lend this way. I will lend out 70. 70. So that when I want to remove it, I'll have transaction fee to remove it. So this 70 is just $64. But I might put another money later that I will use to farm more of this. So yeah, that is it. I've deposited 70 SUI to this SUILEND. So their network, I think uh the application is not that very fast for now. So I'll still come back later to come and do this bridge. I must do this bridge so that even if they bring out any other features later, maybe they are doing transfer, interchain transfer, and so on, I'll still do it because I want to utilize all their products. I want to use it so that I'll be able to get maximum amount of airdrop from them if they are doing airdrop. So that is how you can maximize SUILEND to farm their airdrop, and you'll be getting points here. I don't know how the points work, but let me. I think every SUI that is take, you'll be getting some points every day. So I don't know. Maybe tomorrow I'll come back to this to check how many points I have. So that is it. If you want to do this, you can just follow the procedure of this video that I made to for you to farm this SUILEND. So if you have money to do this, just do it. Don't fade it. Even if it is $100, any amount that you have to do it and wait for something. Make sure you are following them on Twitter, join their Discord community for you to get maximum information from them. Don't miss out on anything they are doing. So check them out daily. Your money is here, so you need to follow them up, see what they are doing. Even if anything is happening there, you can easily remove your money and leave it. So if you watch this video to this end, do it to like this video and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.